Alicia with What's Next, and we're here at the Flamingo in Las Vegas. Going into one of the regular king rooms, just a regular king room. Of course, they're owned by Caesars, one of Caesars' properties here. We'll start with the bathroom. It's a quick tour. Pretty basic, but some nice decor that they have here. I like the, look at all the little touches with the flamingos here. And nice shower, waterfall shower head. Again, they've got the shampoo conditioner with the little flamingos. White subway tile, nice big walk-in shower. A nice tile. This is a pretty good size room for just being a basic king size room. It's got a nice closet and the pink walls. This is our first time staying at the Flamingo, so our goal is to try to stay at all of the Caesars properties because Caesars has, in my opinion, the best rewards, and they have blessed us with many comps, so we have this room comped as well. Look at this flamingo lamp. Super cute. Flamingo pictures. So, I mean, you can't forget where you're at when you're here. And of course, the nice comfy Caesars mattresses that you get. I still need to find out. I need to look at those mattresses. Those are the most comfortable mattresses. I love it every time we come to a Caesars property because I think they put those mattresses in all of their rooms. But again, it's got a nice little couch here. Huh? Oh. Johnny's sidelining back here. Oh. But yeah, anyways, this is just the regular king room. Nothing fancy. We didn't upgrade or anything, but yeah, it's nice. You said there was a refrigerator in here?
Yep, fridge on this side.
Oh. So you always get your fridge, you get your coffee maker.
Safe on this side.
And your in-room safe to hide all your winnings. This is good enough because if you're in Vegas, chances are you're not worried about much as far as a room, just something nice and clean. And when it's comp, that's even better, more money to play with. And then let's look outside because it looks like this might be hard to do. It looks like we've got a really good view, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this so that you can see because of the glare. Here we go. Let's go behind the curtains. There we go. Look at that great view we have. So of course we're right across from Caesar's Palace, and you can see down on the strip. Oh my gosh, the strip is always so busy. Isn't it great? But here we're here right on the main part of where you can see Caesars. You can see Rio in the background, the Mirage, a little Bellagio. I mean, we have a great view where we're at right now. It's amazing. Oh, you can even see the little bit of the link over here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but where the zip line is. So yeah, great location. I'm sure this is a great price because Flamingo is not one of the more expensive properties on the strip, but very clean, very updated. Caesars has done a great job with all the properties that they have. And if you have done what Johnny and I have been telling you all this time, you've signed up for Caesars Rewards, because if you don't already know, Caesars is not just in Vegas. Caesars is everywhere. They are even in Dubai. They are even in Canada. Come on, guys. It's a no-brainer. We go to Caesars in almost every state that we stay in. So with that being said, this is the king room at the Flamingo in Las Vegas on the strip. Awesome. Oh, I didn't see the sliding door. Oh, thanks to Johnny using the restroom.
It's got pictures on the other side.
Nice, it does? Oh, let me show you this last
Original
thing.
Flamingo Hotel.
Oh, neat. Okay.
Stuff.
Oh, wow. Okay. Look at that. A nice finishing touch for our video. Oh, yeah, it's got all of the info about the old original Flamingo when Wayne Newton was here and everything. That's so cool. All right, well, we are gonna go downstairs, get us something to eat, and try to make some money. So this is Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next, coming at you from the Flamingo in Vegas, the King Room Tour, and we'll see you next time. Just wanted to add in the pool area now that it's daytime for the Flamingo here in Las Vegas. It's not a huge area, but it's got a nice pool, lots of space for everybody, good music, a nice bar, and some cabanas. So. And then on the other side there is another smaller pool that you can go to, and I think that one has a swim-up bar too, if I'm not mistaken. So just wanted to add that in with the room tour. All right, again, this is Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next.